channel. Let's learn with Navya Anand. Today I am making a Janmashtmi card. For this we need colorful foam sheets, scissor, sketch pens, glue and cotton. So let's get started. For making card with Kanha Matki on paper. Now cut this matki with the scissor. Now apply glue on the back side of the matki. Paste it on the paper. Now I'm decorating my matki with the glitter sheets. Now cut the stripe from the glitter sheet and apply glue. Now paste the stripe. Applying glue for pasting cotton balls. Now my card is ready. राधा जी का प्रेम, मूली की मिठास, माखन का स्वाद, गोपियों का रास, इन्हीं से मिलकर बनता है जन्माष्टमी का दिन खास. Thank you. Happy Janmashtami. Thanks for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe.